Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now let's determine the value of x from this exponential function. Here is to the power of x plus to the power of x plus 1 plus to the power of x plus 2, which equals 56. In order to determine the above exponential function, first let's see each term. To the power of x, to the power of x plus 1, to the power of x plus 2. The above exponential function can be rewritten as to the power of x plus, the rule of exponential function, that is to the power of a plus b, which equals to the power of a times to the power of b. Having this, to the power of x plus to the power of x plus 1 means to the power of x times to the power of 1 plus to the power of x plus 2 means to the power of x times to the power of 2, which equals 56. Here, to the power of x, to the power of x, to the power of x. So the power of x is a common factor for this term. Therefore, to the power of x into, here is 1, plus, here is to the power of 1, that is 2, plus, here is to the power of 2, that is 4, which equals 56. Therefore, to the power of x into 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, which equals 56. Therefore, to the power of x times 7 means 56. Divide by 7. Divide by 7. Therefore, 7 cancelled by 7. Here is to the power of x, which equal to 56 divided by 7, that is 8, which implies to the power of x equals 8 means is a multiple of 2. 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, which is to the power of 3. Therefore, to the power of x equals to the power of 3. If the bases are the same, we can equate exponents only. Therefore, as you see here, to the power of x equal to the power of 3 means x equals 3. The value of x for the above exponential function is 3. Here is another problem, that is 5 to the power of 2x minus 6 times 5 raised to x plus 5 equals 0. As you see here, 5 to the power of 2x, here is 5 to the power of x plus 5. It seems exponential function, a type of quadratic equation. Therefore, let be 5 to the power of x, let 5 to the power of x equals y. Therefore, the above equation can be rewritten 5 to the power of 2x means 5 to the power of 2x means y square minus 6 times 5 raised to x is y plus 5 equals 0. Y square minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. If you see this quadratic equation, you can easily determine using factorization method. Therefore, think of those numbers whose product is 5 and whose sum is minus 6. Therefore, those numbers could be minus 5 and minus 1. If you multiply them, minus 5 times minus 1, that is 5. Minus 5 times plus minus 1, that is minus 6. Therefore, y square minus 6y means minus 5y minus y plus 5 equals 0. Here is y, the common factor for those, y minus 5 into minus 1 into y minus 5 equals 0. Y minus 5, y minus 5, y minus 5 into y minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, y minus 5 equal to 0, or y minus 1 equals 0. Here is y equals 5, and here is y equals 1. Therefore, here is the value of y. Know the value of x. As you said before, 5 raised to x equals y, which means the value of y is 5 and 1. Therefore, 5 raised to x equals 5, and 5 raised to x equals 1. Here 5 raised to x equals 5 raised to 1, and 5 raised to x equals 1 means 5 raised to 0. Any number the power of 0 is 1, except 0 the power of 0. Therefore, here is x equals 1, and x equal to 1, and here is x equals 0. Therefore, the value of x for the above exponential function is 1 and 0. Thank you for attending.